Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing the new course of your fifth semester, that is Advanced Java Programming. This course is belonging to fifth semester. Course abbreviation is AJP and course code is 22517. Name of the faculty members are myself, Mrs. A.R. Sonone, Mr. S.K. Mahajan and Ms. R.A. Bhidane. First of all, what is the rationale or what is the importance of discussing or studying this particular subject? Already in the fourth semester, we have studied Java programming, that is all the programs based on core Java, as well as few of the graphical user interface related programs we have done using applet. But now we have to prepare our programs more interactive, so a graphical user interface programs or implementation applications have to be developed with respect to this programming. So the advanced Java programming plays an important role in GUI based application. Using this kind of an course, you are able to develop the programs related with graphical user interface. You are able to handle different events on the components. You are able to develop network based programming, database applications, as well as a servlet based programming also. So from the graphical user interface or more interactive point of view, this particular course is important. Objective is you are able to develop the standalone or web-based applications with respect to different AWT components, Swing components. You have to handle different event mechanisms. You have to perform different network programming, database operations, and servlet programming. Teaching and examination scheme is weekly 3 hours are allocated for this subject, 2 hours practical per week, and a tutorial hour is also allocated, that is a 1 hour. The difference between other courses and this particular course is that you have to go for an theory examination, but the theory examination is online examination, so the paper hour duration will be 1.5 hours, that is 90 minutes are allocated to you. The marking scheme or marking criteria will be same, that is for other subjects also. So 70 marks online theory examination will be there, minimum 28 marks you have to gain, and 2 test marks average, that is 20 marks plus 10 marks are allocated for the micro project. Similarly, for the practical examination, 25 marks term work or internal term work will be there. The progressive assessment will be there for 25 marks and the total marks allocated are 50. Course outcome for this particular subject are you have to understand use of advanced Java programming tools. So what are the different advanced Java programming tools? You have to study different types of events and their handling. Also you have to write the programs related with networking, database, or servlet and cookies or session tracking related programs you have to perform. Theory components are initially the first unit is having outcome as develop programs using GUI framework, that is AWT and Swing components. So here you will be performing different programs related with AWT components and Swing components. Next is your second unit to component is handle events of AWT and Swing components. So you are here performing different event based programs or event based applications on the AWT and Swing components that you have studied. Next is you have to develop and handle the events with respect to Java programming. So here again a menu driven and some adapter class oriented event driven programs you have to perform. Next is you have to develop Java programs with respect to network. So networking concept based programs you will be performing in this particular course. Next, for unit 5 you will be developing programs using database. So here JDBC, ODBC connectivity have to be performed, and based on that different database connectivity operations you will be performing. And the last unit, that is 6th unit, is responsible for developing programs using servlets. So servlets related programs you have to develop HTTP servlet, cookies, session related programs we will be developing in this particular unit. Specification table for this particular program course for question paper designing will be, it consists of total 6 units. So first is abstract window toolkit or AWT unit. The total marks allocated for this particular unit is 12. So R stands for remembrance level, U is understanding level, and A is an application level. So being a third year student, if you see the mark total of all the units for this particular course, application level questions will be more asked into the theory examination. So you have to prepare like that particular aspect for the online theory based programs. Next is second unit is swing components, second is event, third is event handling, then is network basics, interacting with database, and the last unit is servlets. So along with that, each and every unit is divided into remembrance, understanding, and application level, and depending on that, the total weightage of the unit will be decided. Next is there are different practical components. So for first unit, you will be performing 5 practicals. It will be giving or achieving the first CO. Next is second unit, swings. So second unit performs 4 practicals. For third unit, you will be performing again 4 practicals. From fourth unit, that is network basics, you will be performing 4 practicals. From fifth unit, again you will be performing 3 practicals, and from servlet you will be performing 4 practicals. So total 24 practicals we will be performing in this particular course. Now the assessment scheme for the practicals is each and every practical is divided into process related and product related marks. So 35 marks are based on process indicators or process related, and 15 marks will be there for the product related. So in case of in process related, you have to assess with respect to logic formation, debugging ability, and ethical practice follower. And the product related marks will be given based on expected output, timely submission, and answering to the sample questions. So this is the kind of an assessment scheme that is followed for this particular course, and the total marks are 50 for each practical. The progressive assessment for the practical is number of practicals 24. Each practical contains 50 marks. Total marks are 1200, and final practical marks will be converted into 25. Finally, the end semester examination will be there based on the 25 marks, and this exam is external examination. Now the micro project, you are familiar with micro project because you are following the practice from all the previous semesters. So here also you will be selecting one particular topic with a group of 4 to 5 students. You will be performing or you will be doing sample micro project applications which will be achieving 2 or more COs, and the micro project preparation and submission formats will be known to you, which are there or which we are using from the previous semesters. The micro project evaluation will be there for the 10 marks. So 6 marks will be there for a group activity, and 4 marks will be there based on the individual performance. So 6 plus 4, 10 marks will be allocated. Next is passing criteria for this particular courses. You have to consider or you have to gain 28 marks out of the 70 marks online theory paper. 12 marks will be calculated, 20 marks from the 2 test average, and 10 marks from the micro project. So likewise 30 marks will be calculated. You have to score at least 12 marks, and this 28 plus 12 comes to the 40 marks. So minimum 28 marks is the passing criteria for your online examination. These are few of the reference books. You are familiar with the complete Java reference also. So this book is also implemented or also applicable for the advanced Java related part also. But I suggest that instead of using this particular book, along with this book you have to use one more book, that is this Java 2 Programming Black Book, because Black Book supports few of the more applications or few of the more concepts related with the advanced Java related part. And the third book we are using only for the last unit, that is Java Server Programming. It is a black book for enterprise edition. So only servlet related programs we will be performing with respect to this book. So we are following third book only for the last unit. Otherwise for rest of the units we will be following first 2 books only. These are the few URLs that are to be provided for this study material. Thank you. Happy learnings to you, student.